बाल मित्रों, typical problem of standard 10 maths. Third term is 5, seventh term is 9. Therefore, T3 is equal to 5, T7 is equal to 9. तो समांतर श्रेणी AP find. Therefore, formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, T3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Therefore, A plus 2D. T3. Therefore, T7 is equal to A plus n 7 minus 1 into D. Therefore, A plus 6D. T3 is equal to 9 and T7 is equal to 9 and T3 is equal to 5 is equal to A plus 2D. Both equation we have. હવે લોપની રીતે A plus 2D is equal to 5, A plus 6D is equal to 9. Therefore, minus, minus, minus. Plus minus, that is minus 4D is equal to minus 4. Therefore, both side minus, both side plus. D is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Value of D ને આમાં મૂકી દો, આ સૂત્રમાં મૂકો અથવા આ સૂત્રમાં, તો તમને સમાંતર શ્રેણીનું T3 અને T7 એના જે પદો છે એ મળી જશે. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.